Hello. Let's walk through how to automatically create a product in Zoho Bigin CRM whenever a new product is created in HubSpot using Klamp. Click on Create Klamp. Select the source app as HubSpot. Select the trigger event as New Product. Choose or add a new connection. Run a test to ensure the trigger is working correctly. Select the target app as Zoho Bigin CRM. Select the target event as Create Product. Choose an account. Under Setup Trigger Action, map the fields as shown. Once the mapping is done, click Complete. Click Save Klamp. Set your polling frequency and click Activate. That's it. You've created a workflow to automatically create a product in Zoho Bigin CRM whenever a new product is created in HubSpot. Ready to build more powerful automations? Head over to your Klamp dashboard and start connecting your apps today.